How to delete Onepay account. Open the Onepay app or website and sign in using your registered email or phone number. Check your account balance and make sure there is no remaining money in the account. Transfer or withdraw any remaining balance to your bank or another wallet. Remove any linked bank accounts, cards, or payment methods from the settings. Cancel any active subscriptions or recurring payments linked to Onepay. Go to the Profile or Account Settings section inside the app or dashboard. Look for the Help Support or Contact Us option within the settings area. Choose the option to contact customer support through chat or email. Clearly request that you want to permanently delete or close your Onepay account. Provide your registered email, phone number, and any required verification details. Confirm your identity if the support team asks for additional information. Wait for the support team to process your account deletion request. Check your email or app notifications for confirmation of account closure. Log out and uninstall the app after receiving confirmation that the account is deleted. Thank you for watching.